This video will present the workflow to generate grid data with other type of information that is trivial for your modeling, such as the many coefficient data. The process starts using the elevation grid data as base to use its resolution and boundary limits, and then use the Edit Grid Data tool to change the information manually using the map view or using GIS data with soil use. Running first the Edit Grid Data tool, select your DSM and click in the Save with Another File Name button to save a separated file. Let's start with Mannings. In this example, we will use a 0.05 coefficient for pavement surfaces and 0.035 for the rest of the area. The simplest way to do this is setting the 0.035 value first to all grids and then changing to 0.05 where needed. The modification to 0.05 can be done manually looking at aerial images using the select tool. And another way is using polygon shapefiles to find the grids that intersect by it for its addition. Here we have previously added shapefile as a background map. So clearing this selection just to make it clear, enabling its visualization. So we can use the method select by geometry and find the grids that intersects these polygons. We can see the intersected grids highlighted in yellow, and with that we can apply a new value for them. Saving the grid data. We can check the modification applying a color range for map view. Accessing layer properties, set the minimum value to 0.035 and 0.05 to maximum. Moving up this layer. This procedure can be applied for other non-elevation grid data consumed by the MOHID numerical engine, such as permeability, initial water column, soil conservation services, cover number, and etc.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.